Titiro, look, here comes Tamanui te rā. Mōrena, Mr. Sun. Mōrena, Pāpā Rākau. Kia ora, my name is Kōkā. Here in the forest with me, the 5 Patupaiarehe. Let's go and meet them. Time to wake up, Tākaro Tribe. Can you hear something strange, Tākaro Tribe?
Ana, Kōkā.
It's Hipi, sheep. Say hello to Hipi, Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Hipi.
She's invited you all to dance with her in the forest.
Yay!
She'll see you later in the forest.
Ooh, my puku is flashing.
Ko Pāpā Rākau tēnei.
Kia ora, Pāpā Rākau.
Kia ora, Is everyone there?
Ai.
Me ētahi. Me too.
Ngā mihi, Tākaro Tribe. You too, Wao. You're very special.
Ngā mihi e pā. We're excited because Sheep has invited us to dance in the forest. It's a long way to the forest.
I'll ask Pooh. Maybe she could take you. But you must visit Kōkā first.
Kāpai, let's go see Kōkā.
Tākaro Tribe.
Kia ora, Kōkā. We're off to the forest. Hipi has invited us to dance. Sheep was so excited she jumped.
Did you know that to jump, your turi knee has to bend?
When I bend my knee, I can jump too. Watch this.
Just a minute, Pāpā Rākau's calling you.
Kāpai, Kōkā.
Amariki mā, noho mai ki aku kakiaka, whakarongo mai ki ngā kōrero o te ao marama. Aue.
Tākaro Tribe. You've arrived.
Small problem, Pāpā Rākau. How do we get there?
Pooh will take you. She won't be long.
Yay!
What did Kōkā tell you?
She told us about the turi knee.
Do you know how the turi knee works?
How?
Let's take a look. The knee has 2 bones held together with ligaments. Tendons connected to the leg muscles help the leg bend.
If we bend our knees, we can dance with Hipi.
Ha 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 ha! You're too much, Tākaro Tribe.
Ooh! Whoa!
sorry, my friends. The wind was a bit too strong. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe.
Don't forget your recycling bags.
Aye.
Ah, you can collect pepper, paper.
Aye.
You collect the krahe, glass.
Aye.
You're on kena, cans. Or you collect parakai, waste food. And the plastics.
Ka pai, Pāpā Rākau. It's time for our karakia. E te wānei e hora nei, tēnei te Māori ka whakapiki, ko te Māori o ngā tamariki a tāne mākuta. Te Māori ka puta ki te whaiau, ki te ao mārama. Haumie, huie, tai ki e.
Be on the watch, Pooh. Travel safely to Hipi.
Ka pai. All aboard, Tākaro Tribe. We're off.
E noho rā, Pāpā Rākau.
What can you see below?
There's Hipi, sheep.
Hipi, sheep move in flocks. The bravest one is at the front and the rest follow.
I can see Hipi leading the flock.
Backpacks off so we can collect rubbish. Look, Tākaro Tribe, we're in the heart of the forest and no rubbish to be recycled.
Yay! Ngata, Snail looks sad.
He wants to dance with you and Hipi, but he can't.
Oh, why not?
Wait, Kōkā just texted. She sent the word of the day. It's in the kete.
Where's the kitty?
There, on that toka rock. Turi is the word of the day.
Ah, now I know why Snail was sad. He doesn't have any knees, so he can't dance.
Hipi wants to show you how they dance.
Yay!
Tākaro Tribe, now it's your turn to dance.
Kia ora, Tākaro Tribe. You're back.
Anna, we had great fun dancing with Hipi.
Ka pai. Let's take a look at what our friends have been up to today.
Tākaro Tribe. Did you have a good day?
It was beautiful.
Let's take another look at what you did today. Hipi invited you all to the forest to dance. When Hipi is excited, she likes to jump. You learned that your knees must bend so you can jump. You also learned how to spell the word turi. T-U-R-I. Turi. Turi. Now that was a beautiful day. What a fun day, Tākaro Tribe. Time to say goodnight. Pō Māori e. Good night, Tākaro Tribe.
Oroia tō mata, parai he hia o niho. Kuhuna o kakamoe pō Māori e kuhu ki te moinga, takoto iho ki